Hi everyone, today I am going to show how to override the dimension in Creo 7. First open any drawing with the dimensions, then select the dimension and now it's showing under dimension text. Yes, select that one. And after that you are going to look dimension text under at D. We have to make it change on here at O instead of D. So if we need if we consider this is L, so we could be change as L, and if required to some dimension like 50 instead of under, so we can be change it as 50. So I no need to make it as 50, so I need to make it as L. So that's why I'm going to change L, and length has been changed to L. Now I'm going to change width also. So width I selected, and after that I selected dimension text. Now I'm going to change at O W. So see here the width has been changed to L. Yes, and if you want to be change the height also, you can be change, just select that one and after that select dimension text. So here instead of D you change it to O and H. So length, width, height, it has been changed. So if it is required some different many dimensions, so for length, width and height, so it can be do and make it a table column, and you have to use this way to override the dimensions. So now I need to make it W as 50. I can be changed here 50. So it has been changed. So this is the method to change the dimension override in the drawing. Yes, I think this is useful for all CAD peoples. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.